Hi, my name is Theresa and I'm a level 7 aesthetic practitioner based in Salisbury, Wiltshire and also Bournemouth in Dorset. And today I wanted to talk to you about this product, Polynucleotides. So this product in particular is called VITARAN. It's a fantastic product which is CE approved. So polynucleotides, what does that mean? Polynucleotides, this one in particular is 100% purified fragments of salmon DNA, which sounds a bit strange, but when injected into the skin, very superficially in tiny little blebs underneath the skin, they harness the power of our own DNA, which repair and restore the cells. So they regenerate the skin entirely, and they also recruit fibroblasts, which create new collagen and elastin. So it has the ability to create new cells as well as repair the other ones. Also has anti-inflammatory properties, which help people with various skin conditions and helps, fight with free radicals within the skin. I would recommend 2 to 3 treatments. It comes in a 2 ml syringe. We do pre-numb you before, but this product is definitely one of the game changers within the industry. If you have any questions about it, please send me a message or a DM or give the clinic a call. Thank you very much.